Simultaneous equation. Solve the following by using the method of substitution. Number 1. Given equation x plus y equals to 4. This is equation 1. X minus y equals to 2. This is equation 2. Okay, so we are trying to find out the value of x and y by the method of substitution. First, from 2, here is x minus y equals to 2. We can write x equals to 2 plus y. Okay, and we can make this one equation 3. Okay, now putting the value of x, now putting the value of x equals to 2 plus y in equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y equals to 4, right? Now in equation 3, x equals to 2 plus y. So instead of x we can write 2 plus y, and here plus y equals to 4. So y plus y is a 2y, and these two will send to right side, so 4 minus 2. Okay, so 2y equals to 4 minus 2 is a 2. Now we can divide both sides by 2, so y equals to 2 by 2, it means 1. So y equals to 1. Now what can we do? We can write again, putting y equals to 1, in equation 3. So x equals to 2 plus y. So 2 plus this y means 1. So 2 plus 1 means 3. Okay, so the calculated solution. So solution x y equals to, x is 1 or 3 and y equals to 1, and this is our answer. Very easy. So first question answer, our result what, 3 and 1. Now number 2. Given equation equation 2x plus y equals to 5. This is equation 1, and x minus y equals to 1. This is equation 2, right? So first, from equation 2, x minus y equals to 1. So x equals to 1 plus y. We can make this one or write equation 3. Okay, now look, putting the value of x, putting the value of x equals to 1 plus y in equation 1. Equation 1, 2x plus y equals to 5. So 2x means what? 1 plus y. 1 plus y, and here plus y equals to 5, right? So 2 plus 2y plus y equals to 5. Now 2y plus y is a 3y, and 5, these two become right side, so minus 2. Okay, then 3y equals to 5 minus 2, it means 3. So we can divide both sides by 3, so it will become 1. We can write divide both sides by 3. Okay, so y we get 1. Again, or we can say now, putting y equals to 1 in equation 3. So 3 what? X equals to 1 plus y. X equals to 1 plus y. So 1 plus y means 1. So 1 plus 1 is a 2. So solution, x, y, x is 2 and y is 1. So number 2 done, where x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So number 2 and 1 done. Now today's video last option or last part, which is number 3. Number 3, similar given equation (3x plus 2y equals to 10), which is equation 1, and x minus y equals to 0, which is equation 2. Right? Now from equation 2, x minus y equals to 0, so x equals to y. This is equation 3. Now putting x equals to y in equation 1. So 3x plus 2y equals to 10. 3x means y from equation 3 plus 2y equals to 10, right? So 3y plus 2y is a 5y equals to 10. Now we can divide both sides by 5, so y equals to 2. We can write divide both sides by 5. Okay, so y equals to 2. Putting y equals to 2 in equation 3. So x equals to y, y means 2. Therefore, so equation x, y equals to 2 and 2. Right? So today's 3 question answer, which is find the solution or solve the following by using the method of substitution. We already get the answer. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel. This channel you will get lots of things, especially the algebra, number system, set and function, and lots of math problem. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.